Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Oh my gosh, today we're in the Centro Storico Scalea, and I'll tell you, I thought I'd seen the whole Centro Storico, but I haven't seen this little via. It's just gorgeous. But we met a friend here who happens to be a policeman with the Scalea Police Department, and we become fast friends. And we told him we have a YouTube channel, and he said, oh, I have a house. And we said, that's great, let's hook up. So we did. Now, this house is amazing. First of all, it's this entire house. There's 2 magazzini down below, which you could refinish or you could keep them as storage or whatever. Obviously, you're going to need to do a little love here on the entry here and put a railing up. But all of the structural parts of this have been done, and a lot of beautiful architectural details have been included as well. Now, when he told me the price, I almost fell over dead, because you're talking it's 120 square meters, including the roof terrace, from which you get beautiful views of the sea and the mountains and everything else. This one, I've seen ruins in Centro Storico Scalea for a whole lot more than this one, and I couldn't believe the price that he told me. So if you're looking for a renovation project, but you don't want to go down crumbling ruin, roof caved in, whole 9 yards, this might be for you. All the structure is done, you pick the finishes, you get it finished up. He told me it should be about 30 to 40K to just finish it all up, depending on the finishes that you choose. But oh my gosh, what a beautiful place in a beautiful location. Let's take a look. Let's see. Okay. Okay.
Might be for the kitchen.
This view before the kitchen, yeah.
There is another little room.
Oh, okay.
Might be on an arch.
An arch, yes.
And you.
Oh, yeah. Another little room here. Questo può essere una lavatrice.
Oh, pure un bagno.
Un puro bagno, sì, sì. It's big enough for a bathroom. Oh, e tutti i solai sono fatti, vero?
Sì, tutto fatto.
Oh, wow, ok.
Queste pure tutte fatte.
Ok. Anche ci sono anche travi?
Sì.
Sì, ok.
Sopra, su.
Ok.
Allora, questo qua pure fa parte della proprietà.
Oh, ok. Ok, e quanti
Magari
livelli ci
prima
sono?
parla e dopo fai
Sì, sì. Quanti livelli ci sono?
4.
4 livelli, 4 levels.
Questo è buono per fare una terrazza.
Okay. Oh, this is a part. Oh, it's a beautiful little terrace.
Quello è pure me per fare un barbecue.
Sì.
È sotto un magazzino.
Oh, c'è un altro magazzino.
Sì.
Okay, there's another magazzino down below. E questo terreno sotto è la vostra anche?
Fino a quella strada è mia, tutto ce l'ho.
Oh, okay. So all of this land down below comes with the house, and it ends at the street down there, or the little via down there. I don't know if you can see it because this giant fig tree is in the way. But you have room for a little outdoor space here. You've got a beautiful terrace here that gives you views of the mountains and just a beautiful outdoor space. And look, a pomegranate tree right there with tons of pomegranates on it, and views of the Chimolonga Tower and the Centro Storico. This is really nice. The front door is also new. Okay, I'm inside the little bathroom here. I'm amazed that there's so much light in this place. Now here's the little side. Oh, you could get a better view of the terrace here. Look, that could be your little terrace. It just needs a little bit of love. Looks like part of it's been redone, and a little bit of work and it'll be all finished. Looking good. And then you got this gorgeous, gorgeous view of the sky and the Chimolonga Tower. If I can sneak out there, I'm going to grab one of those pomegranates because they look good. And then this Centro Storico up there. Beautiful, beautiful place. You're up pretty high, and from up here, from the next level up, you can see the Chimolonga, or you can see Cirella, the island of Cirella, which is very pretty. This is a really, really nice house. I do have to say that many of the houses in the Centro Storico in Scalea are very skinny and tall, and you know, they give you the feeling of a hamster habit trail. Look at that little niche. You could put little shelves in there. That'd be really, really pretty. I wonder if they had a saint in there or something. Very pretty. Anyway, many of the houses here in the Centro Storico Scalea especially are like rabbit warrens. They're very skinny, they're very tall, and they don't make sense space-wise, but this one is nice and big. It has tons and tons of light naturally, and access and outdoor space. It's really, really a nice situation. Down there, there appears to be a little teeny casettina down there. I don't know what that is. Maybe it was a bathroom at one time, or maybe a little washing area. You know, if you put steps coming down, you could, you know, turn it into a little shed or something. I bet you they had chickens or something in there. But it's usable. Maybe you could put your little garden tools in it. Okay, from down here you can see there's 2 more levels up. There's no walls up there, so you gotta be a little careful until they get built. But yeah, looks like there's a mansarda, like an attic. The ceilings are quite high, and there's a good amount of floor space. So I'm excited to see what the views are like up there. Historical up there. Beautiful, beautiful place. You're up pretty high, and from up here, from the next level up, you can see the Chimalonga, or you can see Chirella, the island of Chirella. Upstairs, we have a beautiful chestnut roof, and this is a little bit unusual. Usually we see different types of wood, but this is pure chestnut. It's very beautiful. And in addition, there are these really cute architectural details where the stucco has been left open and you can see the original wall through. And you have typical stone from the region. This stone actually comes from Scalea. And finally, the best part is this beautiful, beautiful view from the roof terrace, which gives you a sweeping view of the sea and the mountains. And the skies lately have just been absolutely incredible. This is a really, really nice feature of a really cool house in a beautiful location. For the price in Centro Storico Scalea, this is a killer deal. All of the structure has been done. The plans, the documents, everything is all included in this one. If you want a renovation project where there's a really good jump start on it, this might be the one for you. Okay, so we're down here in the piazza, and it's just gorgeous down here. The house we're looking at is just a few steps up from the piazza. So imagine you just walk downstairs and have your dinner here at the restaurant. And in the piazza, they have entertainment in the summertime. The Madonna Festival comes through here. It's a really, really nice place to be. You're in the center of everything, but then a lot of the tourists don't really come up here and stay. So you don't have that tourist crush in July and August like you have down below. So this might be a real good option for the right person.